Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Designed by Koyel. Today I'll show you how to draw a peacock with a ballpoint pen in Madhubani style. But I'm not drawing on a piece of normal drawing paper here. I'm drawing on a lined paper and particularly on a page of an old diary. Actually, I just want to share this thought with you guys that don't just throw away your old unfinished notebooks and copies and diaries. You can draw on the empty pages and make art. And we all know that paper is made from trees, so we should never waste it. And throwing away unfinished diaries and notebooks are complete wastage. And also, I want to show you that if you feel inspired to draw something, you can do it with a simple pen and a piece of copy paper. It's fun. And not having all the art supplies cannot be an excuse for stopping your creativity, right? Actually, you should challenge yourself to make art with minimal everyday supplies because it is the inspiration and the creativity that matters. So comment down below what you think of this opinion, and if you like this drawing and the idea behind it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.